This audio was created and developed by Rofa Iksandi MPD. This is the 12-level core stability test. Participants must listen to the information before taking the test. The test consists of 12 levels. Level 1 for 30 seconds, levels 2 to 7 for 15 seconds each, level 8 for 30 seconds, level 9 for 15 seconds, level 10 for 30 seconds, level 11 for 15 seconds, and finally, level 12 for 30 seconds. The goal of the 12-level core stability test is to maintain the body in a correct, stable, straight, and dynamically changing position according to the level. Ensure correct movement according to the level, avoid falling, tighten your abdominal muscles, strengthen your legs, ensure your heels are at a 90-degree angle, and maintain a straight, horizontal back. If a participant makes one error, they will receive an immediate warning. If a participant makes a second error, they will be considered to have failed the level. If a participant fails before the level change sound, the previous level will count. Ensure participants have listened to and understood the rules. It's time to take the test. Starting position. Level 1. Level 2. Level 3. Level 4. Level 5. Level 6. Level 7. Level 8. Level 9. Level 10. Level 11. Level 12. Congratulations! You have completed the 12-level core stability test. Be sure to record your results and report them to the supervisor. Have a great day.